Your dream of a flexible, tech-powered career is closer than you think. Explore these dynamic roles, sharpen your digital skills, and start building your incredible future today.
Have you ever imagined this? Typing just a few lines of text, and AI instantly transforms them into a fully polished, professional-looking video in minutes? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, today I'm going to show you that it's 100% real.
Woo!
In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to turn a simple idea, even just a block of text, into a clean, ready-to-publish video using Fliki AI. And the best part? You can do all of this completely free.
Yay!
If you're interested in AI tools that save time, help you earn more, and automate your content creation, make sure to hit subscribe to Tim AI Tool US and don't click away. Because even skipping one tiny detail could make you miss a game-changing tip I'll reveal at the very end. Before we jump in, at the end of this video, I'll share a small trick that can double the quality of the videos you make with Fliki. Most people don't know about this, so be sure to stick around. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Go to Fliki. Open your browser and head to fliki.ai. On the homepage, click Start for free. You can sign up with Google, Apple, or email. I'll pick Google because it's quick. Here's your main dashboard. On the left sidebar, you'll see Files, your projects, templates, ready-made layouts that save hours, Voices, AI voices you can use or even clone, and plenty more tools. Instead of building a video from zero, just choose a template, replace the text and visuals, and you're done. Huge time saver. Step 2. Use the Idea to Video feature. Now let's try my favorite feature. Idea to Video. Click on Idea to Video and you'll see a chat box where you can type your idea or topic. For example, 7 simple online jobs you can start with AI in 2025 using just a laptop. If your idea doesn't sound catchy enough, click Auto Generate Prompt and Fliki will rewrite it into a more engaging version. Once you're satisfied, choose your video duration. I'll drag the slider under duration and set it to 2 minutes. You can also upload your own sources, like PDFs, text files, or images, so the AI has more context to build a better script. After you're done, click Next. Fliki will instantly generate script ideas for you, and you can copy them to use in your video creation steps. Step 3. Choose a template. Next, click on the Templates tab. You'll see many styles to choose from, so take your time browsing and pick the one you like. Then click Use this template. Now select the format you want. 9:16 for TikTok, 1:1 for Facebook, 16:9 for YouTube. After choosing the size, enter your project name in the file name field, select your preferred language, and hit Submit. Step 4. Edit your video. This is your main video editing interface. Here, you can click on any scene to customize it. You can edit the text, change the background video or image, replace the background music, and change the voiceover for each individual scene, without affecting the rest of the video. Pretty amazing, right? Quick look at pricing. Here's a quick breakdown of the plans in case you want more features. Free plan, 5 minutes of video per month. Standard, $28 per month. 180 minutes monthly, up to 15-minute exports. 1,000 plus standard voices. 150 ultra-realistic voices. 50 studio-quality voices. 1 brand kit. 100 scene limit. Bulk create. Make and Zapier integration. 1 voice clone. Premium, $88 per month. 600 minutes monthly, up to 40-minute exports. 2,000 plus standard voices. 1,000 plus ultra-realistic voices. 350 plus studio-quality voices. AI video clips. 3 brand kits. 150 scene limit. Unlimited AI avatars. 3 voice clones. 3 custom voices. Based on my experience, the standard plan is more than enough for beginners. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button and leave a comment. I always try to respond to as many as possible. Which AI tool should I review next? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. And if you haven't subscribed to Tim AI Tool US, now is the perfect time. I'll keep sharing tools, strategies, and AI tricks that save you time and boost your income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, let's take a look at what AI has created.
Ready to redefine your work-life balance in 2025? Imagine a career where your tech skills drive your freedom and flexibility. Embrace the laptop lifestyle with incredible online roles perfect for tech enthusiasts, often requiring minimal experience. Dive into dynamic fields like virtual assistants, data entry, or remote customer support. Leverage your digital savvy in social media evaluation, online tutoring, or freelance writing. Even SEO optimization is within reach. These opportunities empower you to work from anywhere,